Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can create WhatsApp link for any mobile number. For example, I want to generate link for this WhatsApp number. Just I can copy it, and after that here I can search for create WhatsApp link. Now here you can see these are different websites. You can go and try, scroll down, and here you can see create a free link. Just you can click here. After that here you can add your contact number, so you can select your country, and after that here you can skip country code and then add remaining phone number. So for example, I can copy and add here, then scroll down. Here you can type custom message. For example, enable website design, then scroll down, and here you can see preview, then click on generate my link. So guys, here you can see WhatsApp link is generated. So now I can check from here. Here you can see this one. Then if I click on continue to chat, then it will be redirected to the WhatsApp.